Hi, I'm back. So today I'm going to speak about the Pythagoras theorem. So what is this Pythagoras theorem? We are going to apply this Pythagoras theorem to right angle triangles. We'll see what it is all about. Okay. So we have a right angle triangle ABC. It is right angled at B. All right. And so we have ABC is a right angle triangle. AC is the hypotenuse. This AC becomes, it's the longest side, the side opposite to 90 degrees. It is my hypotenuse, right? AC is my hypotenuse. So what does the Pythagoras theorem say? It says AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So what does it mean? AB square, that is, you take this side and square it. You take this side and square it. Square of AB, this magnitude, this length, square of BC, square them, add them. So this square plus this square should be equal to the square on the hypotenuse. Okay, this is the essence of Pythagoras theorem. So now I'm not going into the proofs of Pythagoras theorem. I will take it up later. Let's try to understand what exactly it means with a few examples. So if AB is, let's say this AB is 3 centimeters and BC is, let's say, 4 centimeters, then if AC has to be 5 centimeters if it's going to be a right angle triangle. So let's check. What is AB square? AB square is 3 square, which is 9. BC square is 4 square, which is 16. So let me check. What is AB square plus BC square? AB square plus BC square is 9 plus 16, which is 25. And what did I say AC is? AC is 5 centimeters. So AC is 5 centimeters and AB square plus AB square plus BC square is equal to 25, which is 5 square. Okay, 5 square, which is nothing but AC square, because AC is 5. So I think you are able to understand. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square is AC square. So square of this side plus square of the other side is equal to square on the hypotenuse. So now these three numbers 3, 4 and 5 form what is called as the Pythagorean triplet, right? A set of 3. Why? Because, let's understand this, because if you have a triangle with the sides in the ratio 3, 4 and 5, obviously the longer side corresponds to the hypotenuse, it has to be a right angle triangle. So 3, 4, 5 form a Pythagorean triplet. So let's say I have a triangle. I'll not say it's a right angle triangle. I'll say this is 6 centimeters. I'll say this is 8 centimeters. And I'll say this is 10 centimeters. Okay. Now we have 3, 4, 5, and the blown up version of 3, 4, 5. The blown up version of 3, 4, 5 will be 6, 8 and 10. When I multiply it with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. So 6, 8 and 10. This forms a right angle triangle. That is a triangle with the sides as 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters will necessarily have to be a right angle triangle. It has to be a right angle triangle because it follows this, right? 6, if we look here, 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square, right? What is 6 square? 36. 8 square is 64, which is equal to 100. There you go. That's your Pythagoras theorem.